So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful look, better stay put and do not scroll past this video. Stay put and get your jotters ready, because I'm going to be plugging you to some products I used on a budget. So guys, please stay put and let's get straight into the tutorials. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like, comment and share these videos with your families and friends. So this is my beautiful bride Shanine. I have prepped her face and I went straight ahead to apply her foundation. This is the Adventure foundation and I'm so happy it was a perfect match for her skin. Thereafter, I went on to apply her contour and I used a darker shade, the V Beauty foundation, which was darker than her skin, and I just applied on her forehead and beneath her jawline. When I applied her blush and I went on to conceal her face, I highlighted underneath her eyes, the bridge of her nose and the bridge of her lips, as you see me doing, and I was just blending and blending in so that it's seamless and perfect. So I wanted to set her under eyes and I used this Avour cosmetic powder in the shade 20 and it was a perfect match for her. Thereafter, I bronzed her face using my Annie's Beauty Browns Meet the Browns eyeshadow palette. And then I went ahead to apply her blush. Thereafter, I baked her face and then I was just trying to sleek her brows and getting it set to draw them so it won't be moving. So at this point, my bride was very hungry and she wanted to eat. You just know how a bridal morning can be. So this is what we have at this point. We had the baking process and we had done her brows, and then she was so happy with her look. She was so satisfied. And guys, I forgot to mention, this is a makeup artist herself, so you can imagine how tense I was, but I still delivered. So guys, this is our final look. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I want to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.